mirongo-ĩrĩ na ithathatũ cia mweri wetano mwakeno uyu turiyo 2026 mbitikirie nkuwate weni akindeto cia Meru TV muthenya wa mbita muthoni wa kiramana tuthiatire kimitandao yetu ya ukinyaniria Facebook na kinya YouTube Meru TV Kenya kenda witana mbere na kuwata ndeto na ingi nyingi ebure chukarika kaunti yetu ya Meru ome ya Meru na kinya nthigurune yetu yonthe ya Kenya. PS Musalem Davand nethiritia ikatha a Kenya ni tunende bo witana mbere na kumba kwithira bakirwa na mbiro rechithirite chitwi kampanga kira Kenya bamwe barabatwire ukiene ya kiaria interecha Murang'a na uretie a Kenya na kinya chiari kumba kwithira bakithomithia ndukire keya mantu yegie ukia na thinera ukia bomba kwithira abokiwa rubukire tariboti mwandiki wetu wa Nteto Mutugi wa Kiambi.
Munene wa mawaziri ya Janthigurune Musalia Mudavadi ariuga thirikari nene nekurukite matakari ya kathumba kireukana na mpanga ya nungu maturene.
To recognize Kenya's enduring efforts to eradicate giga infestation, which mainly affects children and the elderly in the poorest rural households in Kenya. It is a defining moment to celebrate the tremendous gains achieved in suppressing the giga menace and honor the resilience of survivors and affected families whose courage inspired a national movement for dignity, healing, and restoration.
Akiarekire mamura ja kuruguria mubango ja ukandana na nungu kurukira hadi Kenya Trust jiga kaivu nterecia Murang'a. Mudavadi ariuga nkurukia Kenya milioni 3 kuma maturene ni bakurukirite Kenya mara gikikira kitete kuthi kwa kaburine ya urerua.
We are here to archive the painful chapter of the long fight against giga infestation, which affected over 3 million people 2 decades ago. In the worst affected areas, children frequently missed schools, families lived in pain and shame, communities suffered in silence, and victims were isolated and stigmatized. Some victims lost mobility and in severe cases, even their lives.
Mudavadi nkuruki na ariritie murimo jwa Ebola jura chuchokerete kirimo cia nthiguru cia Afrika akiuria mwingi kwimenyera kumana na murimo joju.
I'm not a doctor per se, medical doctor, but I think the protocols that were observed around COVID time, it's important that we start appreciating those protocols. So that we can save Kenyans from the risk of this dangerous strain of Ebola, which is taking many lives in other countries. So we need to be very, very careful. We need to sanitize again. We need to go through that detail. And I think we need to have a campaign because prevention is better than cure. And in this case, we don't know when the cure will be on the table because it is a strain that cannot be treated. So we need to be now very careful again in terms of our hygiene, personal hygiene, and how we engage. This is something that I thought I owe it to you. Niwaeleze kwamba hiyo Ebola iko.
Kiripotera Meru TV Mbeta Mutugi wa Kiambi.
Ibeya muno mwandiki wetu wa Nteto no ntuboriboti una njira ikinyanilite atongerewa kuma thirikari nene batongeretwe ni PS ujikene ya Roslyn Njogu na ndi bachumirite na ukinya kaunti ya Meru na labethirite baikite michemanio na machibo na machabuchibo akuma ntere mwanya cha Meru kenda kwarire na kuthomithe mwingi mantu jege mirandi irereti ni thirikari nene nkuruki ndi barombete machibo yawite na mbere na kumba kwithira bakithomithia mwingi mirandi irereti ni thirikari na mitaratara ira thirikari iretete kenda kumba kwithira kiguna antu mwanya harane ndipo uritu baite na mbere na kinyabo kumba kwithira bakiyika thirikari nene. Riboti mwandiki wetu wa Nteto Mutugi wa Kiambi.
I have not talked about I go to funeral. I see a section there for
Berema kuna project nyingi sana ile chiambire tune President William Ruto na thirikari yetu ya Kenya Kwanza na projects hiyo ndi kuendelea kona yonthe chionthe chia county iji, na therefore nitukwenda kuigua feedback kuma kiri barabethera be mashinani ura project hiyo chienderete pronge status yachio nikenda tumba kumikishwa project hiyo kuthiru haraka sana na tuigwe inye ingire ikwendeka ithithwa mashinani tukuona progress report indongi kwina chio chienderete ire nyingi boega mono 1 or 2 ikwenda kutegerwa kenda contractors barakisha ngugiu, and that is why we are here na PSS pakwereza antu betu boega mirandi ya thirikari na opportunities irere kithirikari nikenda antu betu bakethira bena information pakomba kuona benefits na opportunities cia thirikari oja Kenya ingi uria kuona.
We are happy today to meet the chiefs, to meet all the Ngao fraternity, so that we speak in one voice and we be able to be understood on all the things that we are doing on the ground. So it has been a very, very, very good meeting, and we look forward for many engagement as we move forward.
And these officers work for the office of the president, and they are the last mile matters communication. They live within their communities, and we have been able to, to have a discussion, carry discussion about what the government is doing and the kind of messaging we want our people to know. And to be honest, with these over 600 officers, we feel the information flow to our communities will improve. And as I said, this is one first of the many meetings we are going to have with many leaders, many opinion leaders from the county, this county of Meru. The government of William Samoei Ruto has been keen to support the development agenda of the people of Meru, the aspiration of people of Meru, and we need to make sure that the people know what is being done, what has been done, what is being done, and what the government is planning to do as we go to the future. And so this really, this meeting was about, as my colleague PS said, kutekeleza. It was about kueleza na kutekeleza.
Sense of being operationalized.
They release the press so that
Mubunge wa gicigo mbunge kia Tiaine East Mpuru wa Buri nethirite nende aitangaza mwonekano yumweru kana kururo kwa cukuru ya Nyambene University ira nende kethira irwangirwo kuma Tharaka University atangasite ontubu agwete buni weru bakithomo rutererwa Tiaine kenda utira na batiane kinyabo ibakumba kwithira bakithara na ibakona kuntu kweya kwa kuthomera kuringana na Mpuru wa Buri gwete VC wa cukuru ya Tharaka University na irigiri atareki 6 mweri wa 6 kumba kwithira nende kiliungana na cukuru ikethire kya kwana kumba kwithira kiambiri otema kiani rejire mwe kwithuranira na kubanga wakwa kwa university. Riboti ya mwandiki wetu wa NTETO Adams Muturia wa Thirinja.
Rukiriro rwari mubunge wa shuo mbunge iketiganĩ East Mpuru wa Buri na buthite mucemani na senate ya Tharaka University kiri kuthiatira mutaratara wa kibo rwangirwo cukuru entereche Tiania. Senate ya thukuru ibombete kwitha gitikanĩire na kauli kamwe ati thukuru ikomba kwithira ya kontereche konjo ndene wonde mekinduri gĩcigo mbunge iketiganĩ East.
And also to the university, as the university role is to teach, research, and the supporting innovation. So that place is viable and very ready to give the learning, the research, and innovation to the people of your area. So thank you very much. I'm Dr. Faustin Muchui, Director Quality Assurance, and that place is place of quality.
Maya mucemani yo Mpuru wa Buri nombete kwithira ikinyithie makoma mwankara cukuru irigiri kumba kwithira igakwa arake aria monakari Mpuru wa Buri ombete kwithira kathetura university ya Tharaka kumba kwithira igitikirio wa university NTETO.
Choke nkatho kivice chancellor wetu wa Tharaka bwana Muyungi, Professor Muyungi. Ndo makaribiso antukwa narwa autunganiza na senate yewe yonde yantu akwega rimwe tomba bandress na bamba tumba kuthia mucemani no bande Tharaka University tukana rukiri thainya na ba wetikiria ndene ya Tigania East baturutanya mwetu wa Nyambene University.
Agita na mbere kwa Mpuru wa Buri nombete kwitha etereirio batuba wa kibo cukuru NTETO aragwete kuntu kugomba kwitha ukirira njira nene.
Atiani onde kumba terikira ntu no university mbere ndene Tigania East kule ndene Tigania na nkenda kuwa no ntwe kwendene wetu ndene tigani east igateithia mutiania ore maburwa igateithia mutiania ore ativine igateithia mutiania ore Nyiro igateithia mutiania ore Nturuto we Karama igateithia mutiania ore Giochwa igateithia mutiania ore Thangatha na ore Mikindori agatethuka nenya muthara yonthe yo atene watethuka na ntwaimenti bonthe itobalikana university na ntobagembe itobalika na Tharaka inyayo nyatho university no twachenjania paka yariko kunde muyumbi watigani hizi mporo ntwaburi anko na kuwa tienda kithomo yokire kwa kuwa anabeto bara weta university kuraya mathomo yako nthomo na Nairobi University no yaraja ndene ya Nyambene University kwa kwira atori beto batigani east kwa jumla university kuendene tigani east tumesupporteni tumeokerie nikaendana beto pamba okira kimathomo na kama kwa mengo na utiga tigani east yokerete ikemyakana na rwetu na campus yetu akire KMTC Muthara rende nete kuthiria ngugi nikaendana wanje tonya kuo
na bwa kariba mukirete nteto ine kino kinene bakwa na ndi betete komba kwithira bakiona weru kuntuku
eto cokia nkatho inene na tukiwa ni bwana ontu wa mwezi mwe turatera university na tariki 6 ni tubweterete na inya na twatura na wingi no ntu tunabata na university tutwire tumetere miaka mingi na kuna simiwa aba inge bakulukite tutona ontu yabu lakini ruare tukwibwa no ontu wa mwezi mwe mpuru no ontu bo turatera university na tu mwezi mwe tukaitha turi amo na wowe 2027
na cokia nkatho tutemeoka ati mpuru no mwe ria batie kiroto kira torotete kia uyura nika kuiboya na ngoni mheshimiwa nkomucokeria nkatho no ntuke akwithira mheshimiwa turari no wa Muthara tupopo tukiyura uka akwithira MC ora turari no nikabuye tupopo tukiyura
mheshimiwa university teka ya kuria konjo konkake muntu ora wende we Mikindori lecturers betu no baingi bakarara mbere twaka na inkoromba investors bonde ibeye lui kinjeke thetu tukwendia miunda na ruiro ibeye batuwatie wakirari twakuriku
ntoro titikakia no ntunya kuruwerirwe Yesu nariukire au anga tonga ilema mutongi ilema ne yatonge kilema Jumamosi ya tariki 6
kiripoti Meru TV kumatia nembetanda msimuturia wa Drenja
Ibeya muno mwandiki wetu wa NTETO Adams Muturia wa Drenja kumanterechia tiania no ntuborono na njira ikinyanirite njemwe akumanterechia gitimene buri bachumirite na kuonene kiriro kio bakiromba kuona kioto akiaithe urombere kwithira akiuro mwakene ywa 2015 na mwakira thai miaka 8 nikilukite na mwaka batona kioto ukiaithe bakiwa nende ithe ombire kwithira akiura ona kinyanyumba yabo kuringa riboti baborithi akana mabisa baborithi bethirite baikuria ya mbare ana nende gwatukire kinyambo muthenya yogoro endra kuranire chijikene gichomba court proceedings askari baremero kunenkanira evidence kana kionaniria agia kuonania burethe ombire kwithira kiro wontu bura batumite nende bakagwa bonika askari bakwithira bakiunkumo na mbecha kenda batatire itena kuona kioto kio mutugi wa Kiambi aina riboti
Mugambi kuma gitimene buri bagiukia kajuka kamaka ina maroja gukia mukuruju ureba kuga orairo mwakene jwa 2015 na tona kioto kia wenyu miaka 8 igamare gukugirire tura koti kuma mwakene jwa 2018
twe family itwejere kumenya nto Mugambi atakwire gikuo gya kawaida korairiro ya nyombe we aria na magamba ja kwambiria itwanenkanire ushahidi bora twareketie kuthurania kire atori na kire antu banja na ushahidi bou ibonanagia bwega uria uraite mukuru na baraba mugwatirie gukunikira gikuo kiu kia Joana nto Mugambi nto manyara tawe juju okwa
gia kumakania ni ati kinyanyume ya ukinya koti na rukweja na ukujeja familia ya Joana nteto iyi ni thire gitira iganyume ya Boris bari na gambarire kurema ukinya maratasi ja ukuji
thirikari ya Kenya re baroga ira twandikite kuma 2018 baroga inyinge obisine cionthe ira twathiurunkia kuma kwa Inspector General of Police kuma kwa IPOA kuma kwa DPP ina to tekinyete kuma 2018 twera aranjere na tokeja to abwethera obisi bo atwethera obisi bo rugora ibo atwethaira na ta tokathithia bonge kenda twana haki eje to thioronke ta twechwaga na nde tora to andika barogenge tutena thina tukandika barogenge ende barogare to ciandika muno itu ukethera kwi muntu wa thirikari ukwenda kuthoma baroga itu twira kwandika miaka iu 10 na thome na kono tekyo ga change. Facts will never change. Ushahidi bono twena bu ukaja kwethera hapo urere bwenjare ne eborisi kana urapo akarere bote kuretwa kotini atokoromba atire ore okomba kwira koti kana thani ofisi ya ODPP ito kanya borisi nejo ki evidence yeto kaire e process we bakuga batena document fulani bateto na the raw evidence na nontongo atakwa mono nonto ini custodian wa raw evidence ankoromba atire kesi yeje inquest ne arakiswethire bakejo mbora gora bora ire jojo uninde moyo nkauga
ni untore kuringana na njaeji igambarire ne kari tonyeri ne bamo batongere bare ne gwetaja kaunti ne ya Meru kwithira gute obisi batikinyithite maguru jao bagechwa Kyoto
ukeja kwethirwa tutiona kieto ande goreka menya njona kora irwe na thirikari mu fail na ya to fail as a family kwa tukoromba mwankau tukonoga ikweja koti tukeana tukerwa ntukwenge tukeja ito thikirwe na thirikari ne chonko na manto jaja ukethira kwi munene ogutuma akienje twete konekane na ategero inyawe.
Kiripotera Meru TV kuma gicigo bunge kia Northimenti Mbeita Mutugi wa Kiambi.
Ivo ya mno mwandiki wetu wa NTETO Mutugi wa Kiambi no tuboronduru na njira ikinyanilite riboti ya Mutugi wa Kiambi yatwikira gatante NTETO cia Meru TV muthenya yo ntuku ya Jumaine tariki 26 cia mweri wa 5 mwaka no yo turi wa 2026 ni wambita muthoni wa Kiramana ende kurikani wetana mbere no tuthiatira kimitandao yetu ya ukinyaniria Facebook na kinya YouTube Meru TV Kenya.